Hi folks, we're here with David McFarland. David is with PMIES. He has a dual role. He's also with Shell. So David, talk a little bit about PMIES and your role at Shell and why everybody's here today.
Okay, well, I'm glad to be here. I'm actually glad to be a real big part of this. And so I am the chairman of the Plant Maintenance Inspection Engineering Society. We've been doing this. This is our 14th year in this show. We started this off as a small show. We were competing with another little ASME show down in Victoria, Texas. So we said, if they can do that, we can do that too. So we had a good cause. The cause is that the net proceeds that we take from the show, we put into our university scholarship funds. And so right now, this is our 14th year. So over the 13 previous years, we've given away over $500,000 worth of scholarships. We have probably well over $1 million in our war chest to award new scholarships and set up endowments. So the whole purpose of this is twofold, really, is to, one, obviously promote the state-of-the-art of products and services into the plants, our petrochemical and refinery and chemical plants around the ship channel area and beyond. Hopefully our reach extends well beyond the ship channel. And then as well, do a service back to the community to attract talent, engineering talent, to come back into those plants by awarding scholarships and say, hey, look, the oil and gas industry and the petrochemical refining industry are very much interested in the work that you're doing. We want you back. We want you to come in as employees of the businesses and that work up and along the ship channel. So kind of in a nutshell, we do two purposes. Is one, educate people, the engineers, maintenance folks, inspection folks around up and down the ship channel. The second one is just as important, is to award scholarships. And we're really quite proud of doing. We think we try to do both of those pretty well.
And David, the scholarships, is the funding for that by the sponsors and attendees, or are there other ways that other companies can contribute to the scholarships throughout the year?
Yeah, we're open to take a check from everybody. So the way that we work is, again, we charge businesses to buy a booth. So we have three areas of booths. We have our regular sponsor, we have silver sponsors and gold sponsors. And we also jokingly say, if anyone wants to be a platinum sponsor and buy the whole show, a $100,000 check will certainly be appreciated. So we take the money in, and from the net proceeds, we are all a volunteer army. So we don't draw salary at all, or draw any of this. We just do it all of our own good heart. We put the show together, and then we take the net proceeds and put it in our scholarship funds.
Well, Vic Magazine is very thankful for you having us here, and we love partnering with you guys, and we look forward to the years to come.
Well, hey, we're glad that Vic came, and we're always appreciative of all the help that we get from Vic and the good advertising that we get, because without you guys, and it's hard to get the word out, so we're really appreciative of that.
Thank you so much, David.
All right, thank you.